Yeah, this is the Automahal Park Road in Brunswick. All the rain, they've got the road blocked off right there around the curve. They got the road blocked off both ways. But you can see that culvert, it's pushing some water out right there. Oh, I love, this is a beautiful place right here. But you can see it over here, see this here's the road. And you can see the water in the road. You can see it right there where it's going up under the water. It's going in that pipe right there. It's got another pipe right here, it's going in. It's going in right there too. I hear a car coming. I got mine parked in the middle of the highway. I might have to move. But you can see it. That's the swamp right there, and you can see the edge of the highway. Underwater. The water's just to cross this road before. You can see there's logs up here. See, this right here is actually a hunting area. It's a boundary, a wildlife management area. Kind of like a tree just fell or something just fell over there in the water. Might have been a gator. There's gators out here too. Yeah, the water's crossing the road. It's about 1 inch deep right there now. But you can see it right here. These logs floating up. That log right there has been out there for a long time it's been out there a long time in the got that fern growing on it. That's a piece of cypress right there. But it's sucking it in right there. Every once in a while these things gasp. That one over there makes a noise sometimes. There they got the road blocked off, and you can see I'm parked right here in the middle of the road. You get caught up in that right there. Yeah, you can see all the way up there. Water was way up there. Well, I just saw this right here is February 24. And it's going to come on up. It's supposed to come on up 2 or 3 more feet. They said, I think, another 2 foot. So this right here will be up underwater again. Okay, I'm going to stop this video.